The ketogenic keto diet, characterized by high fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate intake, typically 50 g/day, induces ketosis, a metabolic state where the body burns fat-derived ketones for energy. Originally developed in the 1920s to treat epilepsy, modern research reveals broader therapeutic potential. Below, we explore evidence-based medical benefits of keto. 1. Epilepsy management. Keto's most established application is in reducing drug-resistant epilepsy, particularly in children. A landmark 2008 review in Lancet Neurology found that 38–50% of pediatric patients on keto experienced 50% fewer seizures, with 10–15% achieving seizure freedom. A 2019 Cochrane review confirmed its efficacy, noting significant seizure reduction compared to controls. Ketones are believed to stabilize neuronal excitability and enhance mitochondrial function, offering neuroprotection. 2. Weight loss and metabolic health. Keto promotes rapid weight loss by suppressing appetite through hormonal shifts. A 2013 Annals of Internal Medicine study found low-carb diets induced greater 12-month weight loss than low-fat diets, reduced ghrelin hunger hormone, and increased satiety from protein and fat contribute to caloric deficit. Additionally, keto improves metabolic markers like triglycerides and HDL cholesterol, as shown in a 2004 Annals of Internal Medicine trial. 3. Type 2 diabetes remission. By minimizing carb intake, keto stabilizes blood glucose and enhances insulin sensitivity. A 2017 Nutrition and Metabolism study reported that 95% of participants reduced or eliminated diabetes medication after 6 months on keto, with HbA1c average blood sugar dropping by 1.3%. Ketosis lowers hepatic glucose production and improves cellular glucose uptake, offering a potential pathway to diabetes remission. 4. Neurological disorders. Emerging research suggests keto may benefit Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Ketones provide an alternative energy source for glucose-impaired brains. A 2019 Aging and Disease study found keto improved cognitive function in mild Alzheimer's patients. Similarly, a 2018 Journal of Movement Disorders trial noted reduced motor symptoms in Parkinson's patients, likely due to ketones' antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. 5. PCOS and hormonal balance. Polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS), linked to insulin resistance, may improve with keto. A 2005 fertility and sterility study showed keto reduced insulin levels and testosterone in women with PCOS, alleviating symptoms like irregular menstruation. A 2020 review in Current Opinion in Endocrinology, Diabetes, and Obesity highlighted keto's role in restoring hormonal balance and fertility. 6. Cardiovascular and anti-inflammatory benefits. Contrary to concerns about high fat intake, keto may improve cardiovascular risk factors. The aforementioned 2004 study found increased HDL and decreased triglycerides. Additionally, a 2012 Nutrition Journal study noted keto shifts LDL particles to a less atherogenic, larger size. Ketones like beta-hydroxybutyrate also exert anti-inflammatory effects, as shown in a 2017 Cell Reports study, reducing oxidative stress linked to chronic diseases. Conclusion: the ketogenic diet offers multifaceted medical benefits, supported by growing scientific evidence. From epilepsy and metabolic disorders to neurological conditions and hormonal imbalances, keto's ability to modulate metabolism and inflammation holds promise. However, long-term effects require further study, and medical supervision is advised, particularly for those with liver, kidney, or pancreatic conditions. As research evolves, keto may solidify its role as a valuable therapeutic tool in modern medicine.